Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel. The purpose of creating this channel is to share my knowledge with you people. I will be teaching state-of-the-art technologies in the fourth industrial revolution. We will start with the Python programming and afterwards we'll cover machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, and Internet of Things. In each topic, we will be doing sample projects and we'll be discussing applications in daily life. I hope that you will be enjoying learning on my YouTube channel. So stay connected and enjoy learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.